The plan was to start this vlog tomorrow because I'm actually doing some interesting things for once in my life tomorrow. I feel like January so far has been a blizzard of work and it's been horrible, but I'll catch you up on it in a bit. However, you may notice I'm in an empty house. I have just visited my flat for the last time before I just go and hand the keys in. I just came to pick up the last few bits. And so I kind of thought I might do an empty flat tour. I don't know why I find these so interesting to watch, because it's not like it's interior design or anything like that. I think I'm just nosy. And so I thought I would just include something similar. It's an empty flat tour, basically. Kind of for my own benefit, because I think I'll want to look back and see where I lived for my second and most of my third year of uni. But also, if you guys are nosy like me, then it might interest you in some way. I don't know. Also, sorry if I'm looking over there. I'm vlogging on my phone because I didn't bring my camera because I didn't think I was going to do this. So it's really weird. I'm also just kind of grumpy because I've had so little sleep. I'm just going to take you to the front door, and I thought we'd do like a walk-through tour of the house. So front door is over here. This is our door. And then we go in. That's the Hoover that I need to carry to the car in a minute. And in here we just had kind of there was a shoe rack here, and we hung our coats on there. We just walk through. And then this is the main living area. There are my keys. But this is the living room. So our sofa went there, and then a little armchair went there. And then I had my Oliver Bonus cage shelving thing that you might have seen there. TV was there. And then you walk down these steps. There's a graveyard. You walk down these steps into the kitchen. So our fridge was just around here, and there's like a little fire door just in case. We had a kitchen table here. I was never too keen on the kitchen floor. I think it feels quite industrial, but you know, it did the job. I liked these tiles though. And then we had this corridor. This is the bathroom. If I can find the light, there we go. Yeah, bath, shower, sink, mirror, shelf for all of my skincare, face care, I was about to call it. And then through here, this is Meg's room, and this was my room. So, nice big windows. And my bed was there, and then I had my chest of drawers there. My mirror was where those two pins are, which you might recognise. That was where I filmed. This is my giant wardrobe that I built from IKEA, which I talked about in my 2017 video. It is so big. It doesn't look that big here, but like that's half of it. It was huge, but the lady who is having this house after it is having that wardrobe after it, after us. And yeah, that's the flat. We lived here for a year and a half. We're moving out because Meg is going to Australia for a semester abroad for uni, and I am moving to London once I finished uni, so it didn't make sense to keep the house or, you know. So it's an exciting move for both of us, but personally mine feels very long-winded. So I'm not excited yet, but I'm sure I will be with time. Bye bedroom, bye, bye. Bye. Bye kitchen. Bye living room. Oh god, this was so weird. Right, that's it. I just locked the house for the last time, which feels very weird. It is really hailing. Look how big those hailstones are. Yeah. And so, gotta go hand the keys in and get on with my life, I suppose. Yeah. Having a camera malfunction, so we're over to the phone for the time being. Hello, it is another day today. It's Thursday, and I'm just on my way to London. I've got Hattie and Meg in the car as well. Obviously, I'm not currently in the car. I'm in Starbucks. We've just stopped for some food, and I'm gonna try this. It is mango black tea or something, I don't know, but I'll try it right now. You can have a taste test. Yeah, okay, that's not what I expected, but it is nice. There she is.
Why are you sitting so far away?
Because I wanted to make you work for it. Today we are going to watch the School of Rock and we're meeting Meghan and Adam once in London. We've arrived in London now. We're on our way to Swingers, which is the crazy golf place that I went in a vlog before and basically just argued with Meghan over who won. The vlog is called Swingers, Singers and Kinky Boots. So if you want to watch that, I'll put it in the description. But actually I'll probably forget. It's time. We're in Swingers. Meghan's there. I'm gonna beat her. She's gonna lose and I'm gonna win.
Or the left-handed swing. Meghan Warren.
Oh!
It's abysmal.
That was fine. What's the score currently?
It's one that makes me really happy.
Okay.
Do you mean we don't care about the other three people playing? We actually just care about us.
I care about
I mean, you're
Adam
winning. You're winning, which obviously we care about. But the main competition is that Amy is on 14 and I am on 10.
But I won before. So
By
there's
2
still
points, and
time.
I'm going to win by more.
Go on, Adam, show us how it's done. It's nice.
Thank you.
Meghan.
Super lovely.
Oh, that would have been so good. Hattie's just giving us a score.
So far, Meghan has got 19 and Amy has got 21.
I'm getting close
It's
to
you
you.
first.
Oh, shut up. Oh, dear. Shut up.
What?
That was violent. What was that? 7? No. Oh, no. Woe was her.
Woe was
7. That was Meghan. I touched you after you hit it. No, you didn't. You touched me after you hit it. That one doesn't count. Play back the footage. That one doesn't count. Meghan touched you. That was not that bad.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. Because I thought it was going to go in the sand.
It was bad.
Wasn't. Yay. That's mine. I did that to the tree.
But you also still lost.
Hey, Meghan, you are filming that in portrait.
I know.
I hate.
with 40 points. It's Meg Bay.
Hey.
Yeah.
On the ball, City.
Fourth place.
Fourth. Oh wait, who was fourth then?
Fourth is me.
Oh, way! On the ball, City.
With 40 points.
On the ball, Campbell.
Campbell on the ball.
This isn't funny. On the ball thing is not
Yes,
funny.
it is
In
funny.
third place.
On the ball.
Third
Who's
place
on the ball
with
now?
39 points is Amy.
On the ball, Amy!
And then Meghan in second place with 31 points and Adam in first place with 29.
Smashed it.
They're actually fairly close.
I understand that, yeah, but can I just say,
2 points between
yeah,
two
but
courses.
last time
8
it was the
points on
first
one
time
course.
that we'd ever done this.
Yeah, I know.
So it stands to reason that we both would have been worse. So what I'm saying is,
So
what I'm saying
so
is
now
no,
is when we're
no.
more
What I'm
practice.
saying is I'm
More
naturally better
More
at
practice.
this.
No,
I'm
more
naturally better.
No,
you
now-
suck completely.
No, 8 points difference, 2 points difference. We have more practice now. So the true talent has come out, and the true talent is I. Adam works here, of course he won. I wanted him to win.
Hello.
But I am the winner.
Meghan's been here every Saturday for the last like 12 months.
Exactly. See, you heard it from Adam. So really, Meghan cheated and I won.
Tell
So it's Friday now, and I am just editing the vlog that you're currently watching, and I realised that I haven't actually announced the giveaway winner yet, and that's because I haven't drawn it yet. So it closed a couple of days ago. If you don't know what I'm talking about, sorry, this isn't relevant to you, but yeah, so I thought I'd do that now on here. I also did just want to talk a little bit about the School of Rock, which was the last clip that you saw. We were allowed to film, by the way. There was just a tiny bit at the end in the finale where they said you can take any photos or videos now. So I took that opportunity to show it to you because it was really cool. It's very similar to Matilda in the sense that you sit there and watch the children and you're just like, oh my god, why is that child more talented than me? It was a Christmas present from Hattie and I to Adam, and so it was nice to see him and hang with everyone. Yeah, okay, giveaway. Right, let's get on with it. So we're going into this one, the January 2018. Nearly 17,000 entries, that seems mad. Yay, Laura, I recognise her. She entered loads actually. So Laura, if you're watching, congratulations. I will also contact you by email and get those sent out to you. Everybody else who entered, thank you so much. So if you didn't win this time round, I'm doing another one soon because I know that you guys really enjoy them. But if you leave in the comments a particular product that you would want to be in the giveaway, then let me know. It's usually like beauty, makeup bits, but it could be anything really. Yeah, that's everything. I don't know what my upload schedule is like at the moment because my life's a mess. So I will see you next time, which hopefully will not be too long away.